Model, 2015 Toyota Proace Expert Dispatch L2H1 1200kg fridge van needs clutch repair starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 195,851. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0128 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, the clutch pedal is on the floor so we need the clutch replacing. Engine starts and I just perfect straightforward repair job. The fridge unit works perfectly and gets up to temperature quickly, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.